There is a joke in the Philippines as I was growing up that a girl is not allowed to marry until she can prove that she knows how to cook rice. I think I must have been reminded about this many times that it stuck in my head. But perhaps you are wondering what the big deal is with rice. It is indeed a big deal when you grew up in a country that eats rice 3 times a day. Breakfast begins with rice and certainly any viand for lunch, and dinner is never complete without a hot bowl of rice. It is the main staple in the Philippines, so you can understand why it is absolutely necessary to learn how to cook rice. Just like fruits and vegetables, it's customary to wash them before eating and cooking. Rinsing removes dirt, dust, debris, chemicals, and bugs. Rinsing rice will also remove excess starch, which makes it sticky. Growing up, I have not seen measuring cups in our old house's kitchen. I learned this trick from my mom and grandmother. You use the lines on your fingers as guide. Tonight, I'm gonna be making black pepper chicken stir fry. Juicy and tender pieces of chicken are seasoned with salt and pepper, stir-fried with crisp vegetables, and tossed with homemade stir-fry sauce. It is a quick and easy stir-fry recipe that you can make within 30 minutes. I'll write the recipe in the description box below.
How was your sleep? How was your sleep? Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Oh, thank you, Lord, for this food. Dig in, baby. Careful.
I want